Have you ever wondered what makes you unique? The answer lies inside nearly every cell in your body. Inside each cell is a master blueprint, a set of instructions that tells your body how to build and run itself. This blueprint is written in a universal molecular code shared by all living things: DNA, RNA, and genes. These are the building blocks of life, the secret manual for being alive. Every living thing follows a plan. Trees grow leaves, fish breathe underwater, and you heal a cut, all thanks to this microscopic system. It's a library of information packed into a space too small to see. Learning about DNA, RNA, and genes is the first step to understanding what makes life tick. We'll break down these complex ideas into simple, relatable pieces. No jargon, just clear science. The science inside your cells is happening right now, shaping who you are. By the end, you'll know the difference between DNA and RNA, what a gene is, and why it matters. This knowledge is the foundation for understanding health, traits, and the breakthroughs changing our world. So let's dive into the science of life's blueprint. Let's meet the master plan DNA, short for deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is like a library holding all the instructions your body needs to grow, function, and repair itself. It's found in the nucleus of your cells, coiled into chromosomes. If you stretched out all your DNA, it would reach the sun and back, multiple times. DNA's famous shape is a double helix or twisted ladder. The sides are made of sugar and phosphate. The rungs are 4 chemical bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. Adenine, thymine, cytosine. Guanine. These bases pair up in a specific way, A with T, C with G, like puzzle pieces. This base pairing rule lets DNA copy itself accurately, which is vital for life. The human genome contains about 20,000 to 25,000 genes, specific sections along the DNA ladder. The order of the bases forms the genetic code, and even a tiny change can have a big impact. This twisted ladder is the most sophisticated information storage system we know. Now let's zoom in on the rungs, genes. A gene is a section of DNA like a recipe in a cookbook. Each gene holds instructions for a specific task, usually building a protein. Proteins are the workhorses of your body, forming structures, speeding up reactions, and fighting infections. For example, a gene might code for a protein that gives you brown eyes or helps you digest food. Small differences in gene sequences lead to different versions of proteins, creating the diversity we see in people. You inherit your genes from your parents, which is why you might share their traits. Genes are the functional units of heredity, constantly at work to keep you healthy and growing. Understanding genes is like learning to read your body's instruction manual. It's the foundation of modern genetics. DNA holds the instructions, but the protein factories, ribosomes, are outside the nucleus. DNA can't leave the nucleus, so how do instructions get out? Enter RNA, the messenger. RNA is a temporary copy of a gene's instructions, made through a process called transcription. Once made, RNA leaves the nucleus and delivers the recipe to the ribosome. RNA is usually single-stranded and uses uracil, U, instead of thymine, T. This small difference helps the cell tell DNA and RNA apart. The flow of information, DNA to RNA to protein, is called the central dogma of molecular biology. Without RNA, the instructions in DNA would stay locked away, unused. RNA is the crucial link that turns genetic information into action. This elegant system keeps your cells running smoothly. It's the engine of life at work. Why does all this matter? Because your genetic blueprint shapes your health and future. Many diseases are caused by tiny errors in DNA. A single typo can disrupt a protein and cause illness. Understanding genes helps doctors diagnose and treat genetic conditions. Genes guide your growth, telling cells when to divide, what to become, and how to heal. Our ability to read the genetic code is transforming medicine, allowing us to predict risks, prevent disease, and develop new therapies. Gene therapy and mRNA vaccines are direct results of this knowledge. Learning about DNA, RNA, and genes connects us to all life and empowers us to take charge of our health. The more we understand our instruction manual, the better we can fix problems and build a healthier future. Science is unlocking the secrets of life, one base pair at a time. Your DNA is not just a code, it's your story, your health, your future, and the journey of discovery is just beginning. We've uncovered the secrets of life's blueprint: DNA, genes, and RNA. This system shapes everything from your eye color to your immune system. It's a legacy passed down through generations, written in a language of A's, T's, C's, and G's. Decoding this language is one of science's greatest achievements, opening new frontiers in health and biology. There's still so much to learn, like how cells copy DNA perfectly, or how mistakes can lead to disease. The knowledge of DNA, RNA, and genes isn't just for scientists, it's for everyone. It helps us appreciate the miracle of life and inspires us to keep exploring. Stay curious, keep asking questions, and remember, science is everywhere, especially inside you. The story of life is written in your cells, and now you know how to read the first page.